Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to remove Chatgpt background in Google Docs. So, let's get started. I have copied this text from Chatgpt and it has a background. We don't want that. Copy the text. To remove background color we have to open Google Docs. Open your favorite browser. Once it is opened, click on the search bar. Then search for Google Docs. Then click on the first official link. Create a new blank document. Then paste the text. As you can see that it still have the background. First change the text color to black like this. Then click on the Format section. Then click on the Paragraph Styles. Then click on Border and Shading. Then click on Background Color and change it to None. Then click on Apply. Voila! And that's how you remove background color of text copied from Chatgpt. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.